SEW Simple Positioning eliminates the need for PLCs and expensive counter cards. We basically take an embedded simple pulse encoder and we run it directly into our Movitrack 07. This Movitrack 07 has a program in it that actually allows you 8 positions, reference mode, manual mode, and teach mode. This can either be controlled through I/O or through field bus using one of our gateways.